3 marks question. Now, the question here says P is inversely proportional to T. Complete the table. Do you know when we say inversely proportional, that means if one of them increase, the other one will decrease. This is important to know. Now, look at this. From 100 to 25, what did we do? We divided by 4 because 100 divided by 4 is 25. So this decreased. That means this should increase. So instead of dividing, we'll multiply by 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Now let's see what happened here. From 1 to 5. 1 times 5 is 5. So we multiplied by 5. So here we'll divide by 5. So it's 100 divided by 5. It's 20. That's very good. Now let's erase all this and let's do the last one. Now, the last one, we can do what? We can do, think of 100 divided by 50 is 2. And that means 1 times 50 is 50. That's one way of doing it. Another way is you can do 20 divided by 10 is 2. So 5 times 10 is also 50. And that's your 3 marks for question 13 here. Let's do the next question. So question 14, I think it's histogram. Oh, nice.